Okay, now the next thing here is you should assume, and in fact, I should have said this first, but you should just assume that they understand marketing and sales at an expert level. And that is because affluent customers are targeted by more businesses than average customers are. And they also are targeted by some of the savviest marketers and salespeople in the world. So just by being an affluent person, just by existing, they are getting hit with more sales pitches and better sales pitches than the average person ever does. And that's not even assuming that these affluent people have, a business education, or they have any experience in business, or their family has any experience in business, which a lot of times their families tend to pass on that knowledge and protect that knowledge more so than middle class families. And so that's not even considering all of that, right? So just assume that they have seen some of the best sales pitches out there, and keep that in mind. And that will help you get out of this compulsion to want to be trendy and to want to try to rely on gimmicks and doing tricks to get their attention, because you got to assume they've already seen that a million times. So just by doing that, all you are is just now part of the crowd.